What about the areas that we have that are in need of some of these things? I've got areas in my district that I know of, and in going throughout the district, I find a number of streets that are in real need of repair. There's chuck holes so deep, and you talk about getting your car in shape. Also pulling it through this examination that it has to go through anymore. I don't see how you can keep your car in shape in these kind of things. You've got chuck holes out there that's tire busters, that messes up your rims, can throw your car out of line. Just about anything that you would want to think of here. And we are going to now put all of our money into this area here and leave us in such shape that we can't do anything this summer. I don't know whether it's possible to do something else other than what we're doing now here or not. But I think that certainly we should be aware of some of the needs within the city here. And I know I'm aware of the needs within my district that needs some of these repairs. I go throughout